All right, so we're back doing systems of equations by substitution. This is when you have more than one equation combined together. And this time we're going to do an example that has infinitely many solutions. So the first equation that I'm given is y equals 2x plus 20. Y equals 2x plus 20. And then the second equation that I'm given is negative 6x plus 3y is equal to 60. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to underline the 2x plus 20 in red. This is what y is equal to. And because I know that this is what y is equal to, I can plug this into the y in the bottom equation because y and 2x plus 20 are the same thing. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the 2x plus 20 in for y on the bottom equation. So for the bottom equation, I have negative 6x plus 3y, but in place of y, I'm going to put in 2x plus 20. 2x plus 20. Go ahead and put that inside of the parentheses and then close it up. And then set it equal to 60. So this is basically going to be the bottom equation, but I'm replacing y with a 2x plus 20. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to underline the 3 right here, and I'm going to draw an arrow from the 3 to the 2x and from the 3 to the 20. And what I'm going to do with this 3 is I'm going to multiply it by everything inside of the parentheses using the distributive method. So the negative 6x is going to come down. 3 times 2x is going to give me 6x. And then 3 times 20 is going to give me 60. And everything is still set equal to 60 on the right side. Now what you'll notice is I have a negative 6x. I'm going to underline that. And I have a positive 6x. So I'm going to underline that as well. These both end with an x. That means that they're like terms. So I can put them together. So what's negative 6x plus a positive 6x? A 0x. So these are actually going to cancel out. So I can cross out the negative 6x and the positive 6x. And when I do that, what am I left with on the left side? A 60. What am I left with on the right side? Also a 60. So in the end, I get 60 is equal to 60. And that is definitely true. So I'm going to write true right here. If I ever have a true statement, that means that my answer is going to be infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Now, since it's infinitely many solutions, that means that any point on this line, y equals 2x plus 20, will solve the system of equations. And we're going to graph these two equations to check our answer. So I'm going to take the top equation and the bottom equation and plug them into Desmos. So let's see what we get. I'm going to type in the top equation, y equals 2x plus 20. And I'm going to type in the bottom equation, which is negative 6x plus 3y is equal to 60. Now, I can't see the line as it is, so I'm going to zoom out to see if I can find it. There it is. So notice that the red line and the blue line are the exact same line. That's why you only see one line on the screen. Now, if the two lines are the same line, that means that they cross an infinite number of times. So I can choose any ordered pair that's on this line, and that would solve the systems of equations. And since there are infinitely many points on a line, that's why there are infinitely many solutions inside of the solution set.